Hey everybody, this is Rob at MarineMax in Charleston, right off Daniel Island. Today we just got in a brand new 2023 Scout Dorado 277 in midnight black with a white accent stripe. This boat is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to walk out, I'll be happy to show it to you. This boat is equipped with two white Mercury 225s, full walk-through transom in the back. Absolutely walk-through door too, so you don't have to get tripped up when you're coming onto the boat. Plenty of seating in the back. You still have your rear fold-up seating. Two big, huge fish boxes back here. Super nice dive door to get on and off the pier when you're getting on. Obviously, you still have your live well back here. Ski tow bar. This boat is also equipped with a Yeti cooler slide out. Kenyan electric grill. Sink, cutting boards, trash cans, refrigerator, access drawers for storage, for tools or utensils, whatever you like to use. The seating in this boat is absolutely ridiculous. This seat goes back and forth in different directions. This seat slides up. Now that we're in the back of the boat, we do have a full walk-through transom back here, ski tow bar, easy access, so you don't have to step over the transom to get into the boat. You have seating that pulls out like all your other Scout boats. Very nice dive tank door to get on and off the diving with. All the cup holders on this boat are going to be long, two large fish boxes here. Very easy access to the bilge when you need it. We have a dinette table set up, coolers underneath the seats, completely convertible. This lays down to a bed. This faces the forward direction. We have a Kenyan grill on here. We have a sink on here, which is absolutely very nice. Trash receptacle, very, very useful. More storage, and a refrigerator ice machine down here. This boat's also set up with a joystick system. Very nice Garmin screens. We have chargers on this boat where you just lay your cell phone down, it charges. Guys, at night, there's not another boat that lights up like this at night. All this is going to light up Scout Blue all through the hardtop. Absolutely gorgeous. We have a really nice large size head in here with a sink. You can shut the door to cut off all the weather, fold the windshield over. Very comfortable seating up front in the boat. You're going to also have coolers underneath these seats that are built into the cushions, so you don't have to worry about cushions going all over the place. This is a customer's boat, but if you'd like to come down here and check this out, please come see us. 843-747-1889, Daniel Island, MarineMax. See you soon.